This is actually my first gathering, my first time meeting other carvers, and my first time just carving with other people.
All right, Tom, ask your questions.
Oh, what do I like about spoon carving? I like that it develops skills, knife skills, axe skills, design skills. You start to visualize the finished piece in the blank.
So how do you carve a spoon?
You make a piece of wood smaller.
I like starting from something really rough and getting to something really beautiful. I think I really like the roughness.
Yes, excellent.
For me, it's kind of a meditative experience. It helps you, get into your own brain for a little while instead of having all this external, influences.
Yeah.
And just helps me concentrate.
I like the camaraderie of the people, the co-carvers, and events like this. But I also like it's sort of meditative, you really immerse yourself in it, and you lose yourself into your craft. And
I enjoy that it connects a whole lot of people with the land, being that we generally harvest fresh wood, and it gets people using their hands and in their body in a solid way, and just that spoons are something that everybody still uses, but yet root us to what we all once were handy with making things and connecting to natural materials. Be a big part.
I like carving. I like making just figures that I can make out of stuff.
Yeah?
I've carved a fox, and I've carved a boat, and I've started a knife. I'm thinking about maybe starting a spoon, but I'm not quite sure. I have fun just carving and playing. It's fun.
What do you like about spoon carving?
I love the community of everyone that it brings, especially there's so many wonderful carving, craft, down-to-earth people here, which I love learning from them and talking to them, and I think spoon carving is a wonderful bond to share with someone, just like anyone, and it's like a family thing. That's great, and it's wonderful to have like a tangible thing to hold from that.
What do I like about spoon? A wonderful group of people. You get you started.
Yeah, so there's a first
And
and second muster. There's
the best thing I can tell you about carving in general, the number one rule, you can only carve downhill. In life, it's better to go downhill than uphill.
It's fun. I get to play with sharp tools.
I like just how therapeutic it can be and how relaxing it is, and the tools are fun. How it can kind of ground you and connect you with natural resources, which a lot of people in this day and age don't get the opportunity to, just step back and, change the pace and that kind of thing, I think.
I actually started at this event last year, so it's been really fun to be with the community and see what other people are doing.
I like to use tools, and so yeah, I like that.
What's your favorite tool to use?
I think the carving knife.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what things do you like to make with your carving knife?
A spoon. I have made one spoon, and I've made a spatula, and this is my second attempt to make a butter knife.
The gathering's been really, really good because it attracts a lot of people, and we had an amazing number of beginners this year. Because we assume that people will come who will be glad to help other people. And that's sort of what it's all about, is people getting together and carving and learning from each other.
Have fun.